Hi everyone, I'm Nicole, also known as Continualtrends on Instagram and Poshmark, and today I am doing an unboxing of inventory I bought to resell online. I bought all of these items from Frugal Living on Instagram, also known as Red Cakes Recycle on Mercari. I'll have the links in the description box below, but I have ordered a box from her one time before and I more than tripled my investment, so I feel pretty comfortable ordering from her and pretty confident that I'm definitely gonna make my money back and hopefully make a pretty decent profit. I actually just accepted a full-time job, so I know my sourcing is going to go down quite a bit, so having boxes of inventory delivered to my house is definitely very convenient, so I can just photograph it and list it and sell it. She sells it per pound. You'd have to message her for the details on that, but I just told her how much I wanted to pay including shipping, which was $90, and that's what I got. So this is $90 worth of inventory. I want to say this is 20 pounds. So I'm going to add up the amount of items I got, and then I'll just do some math at the end to see how much I paid per item essentially. So the first item are these. It says Moto Moto on the button. I don't know this brand actually. Oh, it's Topshop. Oh, awesome. It is these Topshop. I've never seen a Topshop size like that, or tag. Usually it says Topshop on it, but it says on the inside the width and length and that they're Topshop jeans. They are an acid wash. These are really nice. Actually, this is a really nice style because they're skinny jean, acid washed, high-waisted. Very happy with those. I like Topshop a lot. The second item is also a pair of pants. They are White House Black Market. They're kind of like a velvet feel. They don't have the lines like corduroy though, so I just think they're velvet. They have these rhinestoned details, and they are the slim leg, size 6. That's 2. Oh, these are really, I like the coloring of this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's Free People. I really love pastels. This is super cute. Look at the back. It has a little, I really like this, but I'll sell it. I do want to keep it, but that's really, really cute. I would so wear this with leggings. But I'll list it, and it's a size small. It'd be really cute for Easter. I really like that. The next item, I'm trying to find the tag first so I can tell you what it is. It is World Market large, extra large. Don't know the brand, but I like the style. Oh, okay. It is, I think, oh, I don't know if I can show you all this. It's a maxi dress, I think. I want to be correct. You know what I think it is? Checking. Yeah, so it's a dress, but it's a handkerchief dress, so the sides are longer than the back and the front. I don't know if I can kind of show you that. But that's really cute. I think this really looks tropical. It'll look good on my mannequin, so I'll show it better there. This is Loft. It's a size 8, and it is a dress, I think. Yeah, this is a dress, kind of a, just oh, there's some fuzz on it, which is fine. That's also something about her. She's super, super fair and really, really nice. The last box I got, there was one item that, I mean, when you go thrifting and get inventory, you can miss little flaws. So I just sent her a picture of one item that had, or maybe it was 1 or 2 items that just had small flaws, and she refunded those items. So if you're worried, she is a really nice person. Like, you're not gonna get crap, but you'll see, because I still have a lot to show you. But this is really nice. I would pick this up. I like Loft. I like the career wear look of this. I'm very happy with that. Oh, the next item is Adidas, size medium. I can't tell if it's a men's medium or a woman's medium. That's kind of what I was looking at. I'm really not good with that because I own this. But so does my sister and my brother. So I feel like it's a very staple in most people's closets. So that's nice. And a lot of the stuff is things I would pick up on my own. But last time I remember I got a few things that I wouldn't have normally picked up and they sold really, really quickly. So I kind of like it too. Just, it's a way to test out how items do. This is Dolan, which I'm pretty sure is an Anthropologie brand. It is a size small. It says t-shirt on it, which I don't know why, because it's definitely not a t-shirt. Maybe that's like the Dolan collection. It's a like shrug cardigan, sleeveless cardigan. I would wear that. Really cute. Next item is a flannel. It is, oh, okay. I think this is men's. This is Columbia, size large. Just a flannel. I would say a men's flannel. 100% cotton. I'll also open this flannel as well. Ooh, this is cool. This is really cool. This is Harley Davidson, size small. But look at the little patch logo, and it's a long sleeve flannel. Also men's, I would say, but a woman could easily wear this. I could easily think of a way to wear this, like with leggings, or if you really wanted to jazz it up. I actually could go with my outfit. Next item, ooh, Loft again. It is a size 2 petite. I like the print. Animal print is still in, I would say. Just a little cheetah print dress. It's Harley Davidson. This is a 2X. It's my dad's size, actually. I might just give this to him. So this might not be for sale. I probably will just give this to him, actually, because he would wear this. What does it say on the back? It says Destination Harley Davidson. Maybe I'll look it up first, but I might just give this to my dad. But if not, if it's like worth something more than what I want to give him, then I might sell it first. I don't know yet. It has like this on the front as well. So that's cool. I'm really not good at like identifying Harley Davidson because I know some of them go for crazy money. So whenever I find them, I always think it's interesting to kind of look into. This is American Rag. It's a size large. I've sold a sweater by American Rag before and it sold like within an hour. So I feel like some brands, certain items just do really well. I like the pattern. I like floral. It's a long sleeve, or it's not long sleeve. It's like a 3/4 sleeve tunic top, and then it has like the bunching at the bottom, which is really cute. Ooh, Banana Republic. I like anything yellow. It's a size, what did that say? A size small. It's a blouse. It's like a tunic blouse, I feel like. It's sheer. Next item are these Loft shorts, size 6. I actually sold a Loft shirt, this exact pattern. This is WAIF, where are you from? That's what it stands for, and it's size large, and it is like a Oh, it's kind of cropped. It's like a cropped in the front. It's like a high-low shirt that's semi-sheer, blouse. It's like I don't know if you saw like the pattern. Pretty cute. Oh, these are True Religion jeans. Size 26. That's the tag, and you can always tell because they have the second tag that just has like the thing, and then so they're just skinny jeans with the pocket logo patch. Those are really nice. This is cute. It is Ink International Concepts. Size large. It's a dress with, oh, it's backwards. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know. No, that is the back. So the back has a bow detail on the zipper, which is really, really unique and super cute. And just a plain black dress. You can see someone wearing this, like with their hair up, so then you can see the little bow. A lot of dresses, which I like. Dresses usually bring in pretty good money. This is Banana Republic silk, cotton, and cashmere. I love picking up anything cashmere. So it is just a basic V-neck sweater. It's a jacket. This is, I've never heard of this brand, but it's a denim jacket. Really can't go much wrong with that. It's called Earl Jeans, large. And it's just a button front denim jacket, pretty dark wash. Staple in everyone's closet, I would say. What is this? It's Adidas. It is a size, it's a kid size medium. Oh, look at the back. Oh, things like this always just make me wish I had like a little niece or something to dress up. Super cute. And look, it kind of has like heart details on it. This is adorable. What is this? Oh, Not Your Daughter's jeans. They are a size 6. That's the tag. They're like a green corduroy skinny jean or skinny pants. Yeah, that's what they say on the inside. Skinny lift tuck technology. So those are nice. I think this is a dress. It is Zara basic size. Oh, sorry. Size extra small. Zara dress. It's black. Just needs a good steaming. No problem there. And it's like a black lace V-neck dress. It's another dress. This is Adriana Papel Boutique, size 12. Never heard of it, but it looks, that is a small dress. Maybe it's a shirt, actually. Now that I'm looking at it, this could be a top. Not really sure about that, because that's kind of short, especially for size 12. I mean, that's like short for an extra small, I think. So not really sure on that. I'll look into it. I mean, maybe that's like the style of a shirt or something that I don't know of. These are new tags. They were originally $45, and they are Columbia Performance Fishing Gear shorts. Not bad. Anything new with tags? Soft surroundings. This is a petite extra small 100% cotton. It's like a tunic. Has these like little lace details on the sleeves and the bottom. And it's a button front. That's the tag. These are also new with tags. These are the Everyday Denim Modern Short. Christopher Banks. Something I don't normally pick up, but I might send some of the stuff that I don't normally sell to, I have a consignment store in town. So I'm not gonna like really lose money on these items either way. Even if like I know they'd take something like this because they're new with tags. So, win for me. Christopher Banks 12, just like plain white. And also, of course, it's a mystery box. You aren't going to expect to get like 100% every single thing, like something that you'd normally pick up. But like I said, it's always good to branch out and try new things. This is new with tags, Allison Taylor, black gold skirt, size 4. It's embroidered. That's probably something else I'd bring to that consignment store. The last item, Land's End skirt, size 4. It's honestly a pretty print. And that is everything. I will add up, like count everything I got and do a little math and see what the average price per item I paid is. I definitely know I'll make my money back just because of some of the items. I can already think in my head, even if I got like $10 per item, I got more than 9 items. So, you know, thinking like that, I'd make my money back. And some items I will definitely sell for more than $10. So I think it was a great investment, considering it was hand delivered right to my doorstep. So I'm very pleased with it. Again, I will have all the information if you would like to be a client and source inventory through her in my description below. I also have other unboxing videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. Bye.